Okay, we now putting on the new selvages on this piece. As you can see, we're sort of a third of the way through, and I just want you to see what difference it makes doing it this way to what you saw before. If you remember, it had a really thick red selvage that all you saw when you looked at the carpet was a red selvage. But now if you look at it, it really goes with the carpet itself. It's in keeping with the age of the carpet, and the work on it has not finished. This is just being done. There are more things to be done to make it a bit look, the selvage look a bit older, and well in keeping with the age of the carpet and how it looks. That's just a selvage, and it makes such a huge difference to the carpet itself. This binding at the edge, which does not go with it,